didn't.
Dory's still right there.
Dory's still right there.
He's stuck.
Whoa. I don't think Dory wants to bite you. You gonna bite Dory? Dory's gonna be sad. Dory's gonna be sad.
Ah, well.
Hello, Dory. Yeah.
Oh, basketball.
Oh, basketball.
Ooh.
You're gonna shoot Dory now into the basket? You're gonna shoot it?